bro. What the fuck is you, nigga?
Just trying to get a tour, man.
Oh shit. Oh, you part of the PSY family and shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit, what good, my nigga? Yeah, I didn't know y'all niggas goddamn coming, but y'all niggas goddamn come on my goddamn new goddamn but anyway, welcome to my new group home, my nigga. Come inside, my nigga.
It's a group home.
Come inside. Got your name close the door for you and shit. Big house, nice house, y'all can see. Nice crib. We're gonna start off with the area right. Shit, alright, we good. Little area right here. We got big SRTC in the motherfucker. We got a couch right here for shit. I be doing part of cartel, so we be doing cartel shit. So we hide drugs on the couch and shit. Got a little mini fridge right here. The only thing that didn't work.
It's a dishwasher.
Yeah, that is a dishwasher. That is a fucking dishwasher. We got a slave right here. Some cool shit. We got a nigga working from 5 to 9 in the afternoons. You can see here in this room, closet, cleaning shit. We don't clean, but yeah, we just got cleaning shit just a little fancy. And here, got a bathroom. If you wanna come in, take a doo-doo, take a pee-pee. This is where you do it at, wash your face, do everything. No toilet, so you feel me? You just gotta goddamn make it do what it do. Yeah, motherfucker. Goddamn, come to the kitchen messy as fuck. Lot going on, my nigga. Got a big ass TV. We got my nigga right there chilling and shit. You feel me? Goddamn, super cool shit. Big ass fucking kitchen. We got goddamn wine cooler areas and shit. Niggas want some wine, sip some wine, nigga. We even got a futuristic ass thingy. How the fuck? Oh shit. Nah, nigga, we get money, nigga. We even got a little coffee area. If you niggas wanna come in here and make some coffee, you feel me? Wanna be energetic for the day, y'all can motherfucking do that. We got a fridge. Our fridge is loaded. Food stamps just hit. As you can see, food is loaded, my nigga. We got hella food up in this bitch. Yeah, a little drink right there. Even the freezer is loaded. So you can see hella food, hella food, hella food, hella food in that motherfucker. Ice packs and shit. But yeah, my nigga, that's some cool shit though. Oven, stuff like that, bada bing, bada boom, drinks, Red Bull, this, da 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 da. But now, my nigga, we about to go to the upstairs part of the crib. Y'all come with me. I'm gonna start off this way with y'all. Washroom right here. So we got everything you need, my nigga. We got dish detergent, dish shit. We got dryers, washers, dryers. Not the ones that sing to you like the Samsung ones, but you feel me? Like they do something. Got Jalen room right here where he be doing his diggly doos. Their closet's big as fuck. Matter of fact, let's just sneak in here. Don't tell them we in here. But let me show you this nigga closet. First of all, look at that bathroom. What the fuck? Nigga, this is where you make babies. As you can see, they got a baby toilet in there. But bro, look at this fucking closet. Nigga, this is the dream fucking closet, nigga. That was it. Drop out big as hell and sturdy. Potato nigga shit. Anyway, y'all, that's the closet. Very big closet. You know what I'm saying? We had to go big or go home. We spent over $2 billion on this crib, so this shit's been in the works for like a minute now, for years, and we finally got it done. So, go in here. We got a bathroom. This one actually has a shower. As you can see, somebody came in here, took a shower.
Weird.
Somebody took a shower in there. We have like a little guest room. This is another room that we have in here. A solid little room. Got a baby mirror, baby TV. Don't pick on our TVs. We're on a budget right now. But we do have a tiny ass mirror. Can't see a full fit, but you can see your shoes. That's all that matters. We got a window, amazing view. Look at this view. That shit is ass. That shit is ass. But I mean, if you want to come chill on the roof on some like 2000 Disney Channel shit, you can fucking do that, bro. At this crib. Y'all just let me know. All y'all niggas pull up, my niggas pull up. There's a closet right here. As you can see, got fucking carpet in the closet. Never seen no shit like that. Don't mind the walls. We still getting it decorated and all that good shit. This room right here, we got bunk beds. I know y'all wondering like, why the fuck y'all got bunk beds in your crib? So, long story. Went to Craigslist, nigga had a bunk bed for $10. So why not get a bunk bed for $10, bro? Like, come on, my nigga. But you can see we got clothes, shoes everywhere. Niggas getting their stuff together. Shoes. This room's a mess, but you feel me? It does what it do. We got another baby mirror. Like I told y'all, we're on a budget right now, so we can't really get the fancy shit right now. So we just getting little shit to have the crib prepared. Got a closet right here. Decent sized closet with an ironing board and some fucking pillows, my nigga. Like, who doesn't like fucking pillows? And you feel me? Keys, cameras, and shit. We're fucking lit. God damn, dude. Nigga, did you fart, nigga?
No, not yet.
Shit. Shit made my head start itching. God damn. Alright. God damn, who the fuck farted? Bro, why is it 78 fucking degrees in here?
I thought I was tripping.
God damn. Shit. Alright, y'all. We're gonna go back downstairs. So really, y'all, that is our mini.
If you gotta show the back porch.
Oh, the back porch? Oh, damn, we didn't even show them the back porch. Come on. Let me get into the back porch, you know. This is our back porch area. As you can see, big ass grassy fucking area. Y'all wanna run? Like, we can host a fucking cookout here. Y'all wanna host a cookout? I nigga, we can do that, bro. We got 2 trees right here because we didn't want 4 because 2 is better than 4. So, yeah. I mean, we got fucking big ass field. Fucking amazing, nigga. Living the fucking life. $50 million crib. We got a little back area right here. We got gates and shit because we are in Charlotte now, and I heard Charlotte niggas be on it, so we're gonna be on it. Overly protected. We got utilities, Spectrum, nigga. We got fucking Spectrum, nigga. Shout out Spectrum. Y'all niggas sponsor me. We got recycling bins. Niggas getting money now, so we recycling shit. Trash cans, 2 more trees, some bushes, and you feel me? When I made it to the fucking front of the crib, that's really the crib, my nigga. Half niggas aren't here right now. I don't know where niggas are at, but niggas are missing, and yeah. But y'all gonna see them later on in the other goddamn videos and shit. But with that being said, my nigga, that is the motherfucking crib. Let me know how y'all niggas think. Would y'all sleep with me? Shut the fuck up! In this crib or not? Let me know in the fucking comments if y'all niggas would sleep with me in my bed. Pause. But like on some cuddle shit. But anyway, that's it. We got ring cameras too, as you can see. Camera there, camera there. Camera up there, camera there, fucking camera there, baby ass camera, you can't even see it, nigga. We got cameras everywhere, nigga. We fucking protect up in this bitch. But yeah, y'all, that is the motherfucking crib. Hope y'all niggas enjoyed this motherfucking video. Got hella videos coming out, so y'all niggas turn the post notifications on, and you feel me? Just look out when I post a video, or just follow my fucking Instagram. My niggas like right here, or like right here, or like right here. right here. It's gonna be somewhere in this circle right here. Follow the motherfucking Instagram, my nigga, cause Instagram about to hit 2K, and on this channel I'm trying to hit 100 subs because goddamn, we trying to hit 100 subs, my nigga. But I'm gonna wrap it up this time for real, for real. Love y'all niggas. Y'all niggas stay tuned. Suck up at the game, vibe at the game. Y'all know what the fuck going on. I'll catch y'all niggas in a minute. Alright. Y'all can leave now. Y'all can leave now. You can walk away. Y'all can leave.
Fuck with my problem.
Y'all don't let a black nigga, y'all done fucked up. Y'all done fucked up.